Hey, what's up, y'all? Cut off the tunes because I'm back, okay? I can't get caught up in mess and foolishness, but that was a nice little smooth mix out on that other one. Anywho, the install was smooth. I like this hair. It's pretty much how I'm probably gonna rock it and wear it because it's Kinky Twist and it's the season. It's fall. I'm falling in love with this hair. So anyway, if you want to know what the hair is, it's lulutress Kinky Twist. I think it's 12 inches. The color I think is 1. But guess what? You can run it back about a year ago with the install from before. Same hair. I just washed it. I kept it in a plastic bag. I know, for like 10 months. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. I kept it in the bag for 10 months. Plastic bag. Tied it up. Okay. In my plastic tote. Whatever. And I knew I was gonna reinstall her because look at the integrity of that. Like, them look fresh, like they came straight out the prison. Yeah. So anyway, we're gonna go with that and be full of life. Okay, we installed her in about maybe about an hour and a half. You know, and got right back to it. Okay. Okay. Be great. Don't let no one keep you from your greatness. Even if you have to take a break and come back to be great, take a break. But then come back and be great. So, you know, it gets a little live around here. I'm sorry my content ain't been on the regular upkeep because it just happened. But anyway, we're gonna try to do better. 2023 is coming and we gonna do better, sis. We gonna do better. So anyway, y'all know how we get down around here with 2 fingers, boo, 2 glossy fingers. You see them? You see her? You see her? Anyway, like I was saying, really wasn't saying much anything besides invest in yourself. When you see greatness, you know, sometimes you gotta reset it, put it back for a little bit, then bring it back. Like it's new, but it's not new. It's new to you, but it's not new to me. Let me get off this camera because I'm throwing myself in this hair. You know how it is, ladies, when you get new hair. I had the red hair before, and I was, she looked like a Monica with the red. So with these braids, I'm bon qui. So I'm gonna be bon qui for about 6 weeks. Okay. To get your best life. This is Tracy Crochetologist getting at y'all real quick one time. We're gonna air the video, run that clip or whatever. I'm trying to get back. Y'all bear patience with me as I get back. But let me know what you think in the comments. You know, do you, boo? Cause I'ma show do me. You know how we get out of here though. 2 fingers. Peace. Look in the mirror.